Hello everybody, welcome to another video. As always, check the description for timestamps if you want to jump ahead. Although I think today's video is fairly short. Here we are in Germany. It's pretty cold, my nose is running. I didn't bring warm clothes because I'm silly. Anyway, here we are, we're at what's left of the Berlin Wall. It's called the East Side Gallery. So let's go check out some beautiful artwork and graffiti and street art along the East Side Gallery. Let's go! Oh, there's faces here. I thought this was just total gibberish. Can you guys see the faces? Like, there's two eyes, there's two eyes, there's two eyes. I thought the noses were letters. Like there was a word in here. Okay, I see this now. Starting to make sense. I don't really know what the story is being told here, but I see the faces. Didn't realize how big or how long this wall was. Lots of people here, lots of action going on, lots of beautiful artwork, just kind of right beside the road, right in public, like an open air museum / art gallery. Very cool. Let's keep going. Was erected in like 1961 to separate two countries, East Germany and West Germany. East Germany was fascist, kind of under Soviet control, whereas West Germany was capitalist, democracy, kind of prosperous and doing better and better and better. So they erected the wall because people kept leaving East Germany to live in the more prosperous West Germany. So it was up for, I guess, 28 years until 1989. I didn't realize as well, it wasn't, I think of like East Germany, West Germany, oh, so probably like a vertical wall dividing two countries. Well, no, because people would just go around the wall, Steve. So it's like a circle. It wasn't a perfect circle, but it was an enclosed space. So you weren't on the east of the wall or the west of the wall, you were kind of within the wall in East Germany. But it's really cool, really historical place. There's lots of tourists, lots of locals walking up and down here. It's rather chilly today, but I'm having quite a good time. What are your thoughts, Miss Ivana?
Yeah, cool place. Lots of people are taking pictures. There is a river right beside us, so some people are having a picnic, just hanging out. So it's nice to just walk all along the wall.
Yeah, it's nice. Lots of opportunities to do that patented kind of 1 foot lean on the wall. You know, that album cover pose. Lots of good album cover shots, I would call them. Okay, let's keep exploring. built in 1961. People were trying to flee all the time, trying to get out of East Germany because it was just tough conditions. And so a lot of people lost their lives. There were like armed guards on top of the wall kind of patrolling at all times. It was kind of a crazy story. So finally in 1989, they took the wall down and there was the reunification of Germany. I think in 1990, the next year, Germany was back to being one country and peace was restored in the German landscape. Nice, right? Okay, so let's keep exploring the Berlin Wall, or what's left of it, in the East Side Gallery. These are East German cars that evidently everyone makes jokes about how everyone in East Germany got one, but they didn't run worth a damn. These are those East German cars, Ivana. I forget what they're called. Skoda? I forget what they're called. Yeah, the original in Berlin and Dresden. This is the one that they make jokes about now. So those cars are a bit of a cult favorite. Those are the cars that if you were in East Germany they would give you, and they would probably say something like, "Isn't communism better? We're giving you a car." But it was just a piece of wood and it would break down all the time. My hands are cold. I got windburn on my lips, man. Anyway, thanks for watching our video. I know it's a short one, but we're just having a quick day here. We got a bus ride tonight, overnight bus to Poland. So thanks for watching our video. Please check our other videos, which are on my right, your left, over here. Please check our most recent video, see where we are now, which is below us. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.